Have you ever felt that incredible satisfaction in creating something with your own hands? Whether you are an experienced professional or a passionate DIYer, the time has come to discover a revolutionary tool that will change the way you work with wood. Madams and Let me introduce you to the Bosch Professional GCM GDL radial mitre saw. If you are interested, feel free to click on the link in the description now to learn more about these unique features, see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order yours right away. This miter saw is the ideal tool for woodworking and interior design professionals, as well as for demanding DIY enthusiasts who seek precision, power, and durability in their cutting tasks. Its ease of use and versatility make it an essential choice for those who aim for excellence in their project execution. Imagine a tool so powerful that it turns the most challenging tasks into a true child's play. With its robust 2000-watt motor, this saw knows no fatigue. You can saw for hours with the same precision and ease. And let's talk about precision. Thanks to its dual-line laser, every cut is made with surgical accuracy. You will never waste time measuring twice again. But that's not all. You know how frustrating it can be to work with large pieces of wood, right? With the extendable extensions of the Bosch Professional GCM GDL, that problem is a thing of the past. You can easily handle large dimensions without compromising the precision of your work. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers. Now, imagine an innovative guide arm designed to last. An arm that does not bend, does not waver, and provides you with the same cutting quality day after day, year after year. This is exactly what Bosch has created with this model. And all of this comes with a chip guard set, keys, a pan saw, a clamp, a 305mm blade, and of course a sturdy box for secure storage. Did you think we were done? Not at all. Let's talk about the technical specifications that make this saw a true gem of technology. With a cutting capacity of up to 104 x 341mm, no project is too large. The ability to make mitre cuts at 50° to the left and 60° to the right, along with 47° bevels on both sides, offers unmatched flexibility. But wait, there's more. This saw weighs 31 kg, a testament to its robustness and reliability. It is equipped with a lithium-ion battery that ensures a long lifespan and consistent performance. The 305mm blade spins at an impressive speed of 3,800 revolutions per minute, allowing for fast and clean cuts. We know that noise is often a concern, but with a sound level of only 110 decibels, this mitre saw is surprisingly quiet for its power. Add to this a TUV certification, and you have the guarantee of a safe and reliable tool. So don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to see the hundreds of customer reviews attesting to its impressive quality and to order yours at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. And don't worry about durability. Bosch offers a 1-year warranty that can be extended to 3 years. With online registration, you can be sure that your investment is protected. Now imagine having this extraordinary tool in your workshop. The possibilities are endless. Whether you are working on personal or professional projects, this mitre saw is designed to meet all your cutting needs with remarkable ease. Now, let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, exceptional precision. The dual-line laser ensures cuts of remarkable accuracy. Advantage number 2, powerful 2000-watt motor. Offers consistent performance even in challenging conditions. Advantage number 3, extended cutting capacity. Allows for working with large pieces of wood thanks to the extendable extensions. Advantage number 4, durability. Designed with a robust, maintenance-free guiding arm, ensuring increased longevity. Advantage number 5, cutting flexibility, the ability to make meter cuts and various bevels. Advantage number 6, ease of transport. It features a handle for easy movement on job sites. Advantage number 7, effective dust extraction system. Reduces dust dispersion for a cleaner working environment. Advantage number 8, good warranties and support. Offers an extendable standard warranty ensuring peace of mind for users. Advantage number 9, suitable for professional use. Designed to meet the high demands of professionals. Now let's move on to the few drawbacks, the first being the significant weight of 31 kg. It can be difficult to handle for some use, especially during frequent movements. Disadvantage number 2, complexity for beginners. The multitude of features and settings can be intimidating for novices. In conclusion, the Bosch Professional GCM GDL radial mitre saw is not just a tool, it is a reliable partner that transforms every project into a work of art. If you want to get this amazing tool at the best price, see the hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers and learn more. Simply click on the link in the description. Your workshop will thank you, and I thank you for your attention.